Hi students, hope you are all fine. Today our topic is neuromuscular junction. Neuro mean neuron, muscular mean muscles, and junction mean connection between the neuron and muscles is called junction. This junction is synaptic gap. Synaptic gap between the neuron and muscles is called junction. Motor neuron. Motor neuron used in muscles contraction. Muscles, skeletal muscles is contract. Skeletal muscles, that muscles which attach our bone. The muscles which attach our bone is skeletal muscles. Motor neuron contract our skeletal muscles, and due to this contraction we pull our hand from hot and cold place, we pull our foot from a dangerous place. So motor neuron contract our skeletal muscles in the presence of the synaptic gap. Synaptic gap is a junction. So first we draw the structure of the motor neuron. This is motor neuron axon, and this is the end terminal end of the motor neuron is called end bulb of the motor neuron, and this end bulb consists on the mitochondria that provide energy to the neuron, and the vesicles consist on the chemical transmitters. The name of this chemical is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine, the chemical that used in muscles contraction. So we draw the structure of our skeletal muscles. Suppose this is our skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles is lined with the motor end plate. Motor end plate consists on the receptors. The name of these receptors is nicotine receptor. Nicotine receptor attach with the motor end plate, and motor end plate lined with our muscles, skeletal muscles. So the space between the motor neuron and the muscles is called junction. This junction is a synaptic gap. This is our synaptic gap. So when nerve impulse stimulate these vesicles start diffuse. And the acetylcholine release out from these vesicles and attach with the receptors, nicotine receptors. Nicotine receptors attach with the muscles, and nicotine receptors transfers these acetylcholine transfers into the muscles. And our muscles depolarize. Our muscles now become depolarized, and muscles is contract. Muscles now contract. This acetylcholine increase the concentrations of the calcium ion. Calcium ion contract our muscles, and we pull our hand and pull our foot from hot and cooled place. So now we again describe this is our neuromuscular junction. Motor neuron is used in the muscles contraction. The muscles is a skeletal muscles, and the junction is a synaptic gap between the motor neuron and the skeletal muscles. This is our motor neuron terminal and is end bulb. End bulb consists on the mitochondria and the vesicles is filled with the chemical acetylcholine chemical. This chemical is stimulated when nerve impulse reached in the end bulb, and nerve impulse stimulates these vesicle diffuse and start release these chemical acetylcholine chemical attach with the receptors, nicotine receptors attach with the muscles, and these receptors transfer these chemical enter into the muscles. These chemicals increase the concentrations of the calcium ion, open the gate of the calcium ion. The calcium ion concentration increase, and these due to the concentration of the calcium ion increase, muscles contract, and when our muscles contract, we pull our hand, we pull our foot from a dangerous place. So this is a synaptic gap between the motor neuron and the muscles. We name this junction between the neurons and the muscles. So in muscles contraction, acetylcholine chemical is used in muscles contraction, and motor neuron is used in muscles contraction. So hope you understand it. So this is our today topic. Allah Hafiz. Bye.